Hey guys, welcome back once again. This is going to be very first video on what is output. Basically what you have to do, as you can see a program on your screen, you have to find error or output of that program. So you can pause the video and start guessing output. So your time start now. Okay guys, time up. Now let me execute this program. So we have to find here value of z. So as you can see, I am getting value of z equal to 6. So let me take you through all program. So here I have initialized variable x with the value 1 and y with 0 and z with 5. So everything is happening here. So let me write down here a equal to, and let's solve this equation first. So here x, logical, and y. So what is the value of x? It's going to be 1 and 0, right? Value of y 0. So 1 and 0, how much it will be? So it is going to be 0. Okay, so we understood this value is going to be 0. The next is remaining part. So the first value of OR is 0. So now it will go to the next part. So I have to write here and z. So what is the value of z? So it will be 5, and due to this z is post increment, so it will increment by 1 into the next line. So here upcoming to the next line, it will be z equal to 6. Okay, so it will be something like this in A. Now if I am asking to you, so what is the value of A here? So it will be 1 because it's returning true here. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Thank you.